In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track any click in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know how to rely on GA4's built-in features to capture common click interactions and exactly where to verify the data in your reports. First, we'll confirm that automatic click tracking is turned on. Open Google Analytics and, from the home screen, go to the Admin area using the gear icon in the lower left. In the Property column, choose Data Streams, then select your website data stream. On the Stream Details page, find the Enhanced Measurement section and open it. Make sure the main toggle is enabled. With Enhanced Measurement on, GA4 automatically records several useful click-related interactions without any extra setup. Outbound clicks are captured when users click links that take them away from your domain. File downloads are tracked for common file types like PDFs, documents, and archives. And if you embed YouTube videos, GA4 records, video play, and progress interactions so you can see engagement without adding code. Once that's enabled, let's verify that events are coming through. Go back to Reports. To see activity as it happens, open the Realtime view. Watch the event count card. As visitors interact with your site, relevant events will appear within seconds. This is great for quick validation after you enable enhanced measurement or when testing links and downloads in a separate browser window. Keep in mind that ad blockers and strict privacy settings can reduce what you see in real time, so minor discrepancies are normal. For a fuller picture, including trends and comparisons, head to Engagement and then Events in the main reports. This is where historical click data accumulates, typically after 24 to 48 hours of processing. Use the date range in the top right to explore different periods, and sort by event name to focus on the interactions that matter most to you. If you want deeper context, open an individual event to review the available parameters, such as the destination URL for outbound links or the file type for downloads. This helps you confirm you're capturing the right clicks and identify your most engaged assets. A few practical tips as you review the data. Give new configurations some time before drawing conclusions. Overnight processing often fills in gaps you won't see in real time. If counts look unexpectedly low, double-check that you enabled enhanced measurement on the correct web data stream and that your site uses the same GA4 property. Finally, keep your reporting consistent by using the same date ranges and filters when comparing performance. That's it. Automatic click tracking in GA4, verified in real time and analyzed under engagement events.